Hello, hello, hello! Linda from Trilotech here. Are you ready to finally stake? So I'm on stake.tezos.com. I already have my wallet connected. As a reminder, I'm using Kukai for this video series. Once you connect, you should see a dashboard similar to this one. In the previous video, we delegated our Tez, and we can see that on our dashboard because under delegation right here, it is now set to active. We see the baker that we delegated our Tez to, and we now have two buttons that have appeared. This unstake button, that's grayed out because we can't do anything there, and a stake button that we're going to click on very shortly. So let's go. I'm going to click on the button stake right now. Okay, here's some important information to remember. Let's read through it. So staked balances are locked in your account until they are manually unstaked and finalized. You need to wait 4 cycles to finalize after an unstake. So basically, once you stake your Tez, they're locked up, and unlocking them or unstaking them will take about 11 days. And if we continue, staked funds are at risk. You might lose a portion of your stake if the chosen baker is slashed for not following Tezos consensus mechanism rules. So this is another important point, slashing. Slashing is when a baker is penalized for misbehavior. So this can include not participating enough in governance or not running an active node. This is a feature of all proof-of-stake blockchains. The system must incentivize good behavior and penalize bad behavior. Slashing is extremely rare on Tezos. That being said, it's still important to know the risks. This is also why it's extremely important to choose a reputable, reliable baker. So let's go ahead and continue. I'm going to click yes, I confirm, continue. We see my spendable balance over here. There is something that's extremely important to remember, and never forget this. Always leave a little Tez left over for gas fees. Gas fees are the fees that you must pay in order to transact on a blockchain like Tezos. So okay, I can now enter the amount of Tez I'd like to stake. I'm just going to put in 5 Tez. Let's stake. Check my wallet. Okay, the confirmation screen has popped up. I'm swiping to approve. And let's see. Going. Nicely done. We have now staked 5 Tez. If you've followed along up until here, you should now officially be a staker on Tezos. Hooray! Now this video series isn't done yet because we want to show you how to change your baker, unstake, and undelegate. But in the meantime, happy staking!